Incidents are critical facts that found during the patrolling or worker tour. Broken window, lights on, unlocked door etc. are some generic examples of incidents. You can create incident list according to your business requirements and priority levels. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add an incident. First, navigate to the Patrol tab, and click Incidents. On the right-hand corner you should see a button says Create New Record. Click this and you can then add desired incident, its short code and priority level on this page. Once done, press Save Record button and now you see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, then you can navigate to Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.